How to add a CAPTCHA in WordPress. Want to protect your WordPress website from spam bots? Adding a CAPTCHA is a simple yet effective solution. This tutorial will guide you through adding CAPTCHA using a plugin. First things first, head over to WordPress dashboard, and this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. Once you're on the WordPress dashboard, you will see a list of options or menus on the left hand side over here. Among the menus, select plugins, which is over here, and under plugins you can see an option for add a new plugin. Tap on add a new plugin. Now for CAPTCHA, you will find various type of plugins. Popular ones are Really Simple CAPTCHA and Google reCAPTCHA. Let's use Really Simple CAPTCHA for this one. For that, search Really Simple CAPTCHA over here. So here I already have installed this one, but if you haven't, what you will see over here is install now instead of activate. Simply tap on install now, then it will change to activate, then tap on activate. Really Simple CAPTCHA often works automatically with contact forms. However, for a plugin like Google reCAPTCHA, go to its setting page, usually under setting or plugin. You will need to get API keys per Google reCAPTCHA website and paste them into the plugin setting. Now you can choose where you want the CAPTCHA: login, registration, comment, or contact forms, or the common option. Now save the plugin setting. So this was what we downloaded. Last, test your forms to make sure the CAPTCHA appears and functions correctly. Fantastic! You have successfully added a CAPTCHA and enhanced your WordPress site security against the spam. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.